Allow me to introduce you to Cloudzilla, the easiest, fastest, and most cost-effective way for developers to run their applications in the cloud. Now, we're able to say this not because we're bringing yet another cloud to the market, but we can say this because we've combined the power of every major cloud provider into one network and integrated them with our patented cloud roaming technology, so we can create a smart network that adapts to your needs instead of the other way around. Now, what you're seeing happen on screen is how quickly you can get your first project live. So what exactly is Cloudzilla? Well, Cloudzilla is an application supercloud that autonomously runs apps across any available cloud provider in the world and then prioritizes a location closest to wherever your end users might be, with no manual intervention needed. So once you deploy your applications from your GitHub repo, Cloudzilla is there to handle all of the heavy lifting for you. Now, as I mentioned before, we call our patented technology cloud roaming. You can think of cloud roaming as your own personal AI team that manages your code running in the supercloud. And it's there to optimize three primary functions: low latency performance, cloud cost savings, and cloud uptime. Now, our users deploy projects with out-of-the-box settings that handle things like least cost cloud routing, which means that their projects are always using the most affordable provider to them available at the time. Now, they're also minimizing latency by Cloudzilla delivering their code and data as close to their end users as possible. Now, we know that downtime is every developer's nightmare, so cloud roaming function will also have their back with multi-cloud redundancy by default. That means that even if a cloud provider or location goes down, their project will stay live as if it has multiple cloud safety nets there to keep their projects online. Now, one very important thing to keep in mind is that all of these amazing capabilities are not just built for front-end applications. This means that Cloudzilla will take care of the whole application stack. We're there to roam the full stack from the front end to back end to database. You name it, we handle it with no touch from you. Now, I know a lot of this sounds like magic, but it really is Cloudzilla just giving developers exactly what they've been asking for: quick deployments, autonomous cost control, and performance optimization in the cloud, all with no extra effort. So if you're ready to let go of the stresses of the cloud industry status quo, it's time to let Cloudzilla take your projects to the next level.